Hey everybody, this is Wara and welcome to my baking aisle. Let's make chapatti. In a bowl, add 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of whole wheat flour, and 6 grams of salt. Now, using a whisk that together until it is well combined. Next, you want to add 320 grams of warm water. Warm water should be about 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Now mix that together with a spatula. You can even use your hands if you prefer. Once it comes together like this, cover it with a tea towel for about 30 minutes and let it rest. After 30 minutes, dust your work surface with flour and place your dough on the work surface. Then sprinkle some flour on your dough. Next, you're going to give this some folds. Folding your dough like this will give it some strength. After about 10 to 12 folds, your dough will be soft but not sticky. Next, you want to divide your dough into 8 equal parts, and you want to form each of these 8 parts into balls. Working with each piece at a time, roll your dough until it is very thin. Then using a pastry brush, brush on some melted ghee or butter or olive oil and sprinkle a little bit of flour over it. Then you're going to give the dough a cut from its center down to its edge. Now starting from one side of the cut, roll the dough over itself to form a cone. Once you have this cone, you want to tuck in the wider side just like this. Then press in the pointed part to form a disc. You can take your chapatti to another level by infusing your ghee, butter, or olive oil with parsley and crushed garlic. Another way you can create the layers in your chapatti is to roll it on itself to form a rope, then elongate the rope by rolling it on your work surface. Now you want to coil it inwards to form a spiral disc, then tuck in the ends. Now we're going to roll each disc into its final shape. To do that, give your work surface a good dusting of flour, then dust the disc to prevent sticking. Now, using a rolling pin, begin rolling from the center back and forth, turning the disc to be sure it does not stick to your work surface. And this also helps to form your disc into a perfect circle. When you're done, place it on a parchment-lined tray that is dusted with flour and repeat the rolling process for each disc. And now it's time to cook your chapatti. Your griddle should be on medium heat, not too hot so you don't burn your chapatti. Once you see small little bubbles form on the top like this, flip your chapatti and brush on some olive oil on the top side. Then flip it again and brush some olive oil on the other side. You want to cook your chapatti for a total of 3 minutes, about 1.5 minutes per side. And your chapatti is ready. Once it is ready, place it on a tea towel and cover it. And guys, this is what you have. Perfectly made, absolutely delicious. I mean, you won't want to stop eating this. You won't be able to. C'est délicieux. Es muy delicioso. It's so delicious. I don't even know what language to speak. It's just so good. Just look at the layers, guys. And that brings us to the end of the video, people. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. And as always, share this video with your friends and family, and see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.